today. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you click that notification bell button. And today we're gonna be making slime. Yeah, let's not glue that. So yeah, this is my brush. It does get a little glitter on your hands, but not that much glitter. Oh my god. And it's jiggly. And it's jiggly. Guys, I'm excited for tomorrow. Cause cause the field trip. And for so long, I didn't contribute to this goal. It's my third video on this day. So jiggly. So weird. It's so weird. See, because then, well, guys, I have another one. I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna put that one there. I'm gonna review this one. This one I don't like it much to play with it because it gets a bunch of glitter all over me. This one I only see like I have the glittering. I sold the other ones to my friends, of course. I had to. Oh my god, that's so like, it's so stretchy, I know guys, but it gets glitter all over you. Of course, guys, right now I come, okay? So I really think I'm gonna manage. I'm gonna put this in here just in case. I do have another one of these, like this same one. It's just because it doesn't fit in. So it's like, this is too thick. Right there, the container right here, but like I don't want it to go like up to, I know that, and the other one's like half thick. So oh my god, it's getting so sticky. I think I'm gonna have to put it on my mouse. Cause yeah, it's so sticky, guys. I can't control it. And right now I'm gonna go for the activator. Hi guys, I already went for the activator and this owner's glue bottle. This slime, that's not the sticky one. I'm gonna put the other one on here. Guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I already showed my cat in the last day. Peace out.